Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're having an issue with pre-installed default Windows applications are missing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I would recommend doing would be to actually open up the search menu, type in apps and features. Best match should come back with apps and features, so go ahead and open that up. And then you can go ahead and search the apps list field, and then hopefully the app is already in here. If it's not, I will go over how to re-download it. But anyway, if you're able to find the app in this list, or if you search the apps list field, you can find it. You want to select the three-dotted icon next to that entry and select Advanced Options. And you'll scroll down underneath Reset. If the app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Select the Repair button and then attempt to launch the app, and then hopefully that has resolved the problem. If you're still having an issue after you've restarted the computer and the app in question is still creating an issue, you can reset the app. The app's data will be deleted. Select Reset. So this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select the Reset button, and then you should restart your computer once you have a check mark next to it. So go ahead and actually restart your device. And if you're still having a problem, like for example, if you didn't even see the app listed in there, so let me just go back in apps and features, for example, and we'll go back to that calculator app, and I'm going to just go ahead and actually uninstall it. So let's just say you don't even see it in here. So let's say we're having a problem with our calculator app, and now it's no longer even in our app field. What you can do is just close out of here and open up the search menu and type in Microsoft Store. Best result should come back on Microsoft Store. Go ahead and open that up. And then in the top bar where it says search apps, games, movies, and more, type in the name of the app you want to download and hit enter. You want to go and select the Windows version. So usually there'll be other third-party apps in here too. And you can select the apps option up at the top to kind of narrow it down a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and select the Windows calculator here. And I'm going to select the Get button. It should say Microsoft Corporation as well before you install it. And that should be the way how you reinstall Windows apps. And then you can open it once it's done, and that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.